Hey guys, welcome to hashtag straight poop. Hey, I got some lovely crustaceans. Yeah, lobster tails, man. I'm really hungry and figured I'd bring out some lobster tails. There's not too much prep work here. I just wanted to show them to you raw. We're gonna bring them outside, and then when we're done, I'm gonna cut the shells, okay? And I'm gonna take that meat and, split this, plop it up outside the shell, okay? Cannabis wise, man, there's no prep work here. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna make a nice butter with chives, okay? A little bit of cannabis oil, and we could use that as a dipping sauce, okay? It's gonna be a little bit of keef, salt, pepper, and probably some lemon juice, okay? So let's, before we go outside, you know what? We compiled some charts from tips, help, secrets, hints from my cookbook, and we made charts. So take a look. Hey, poopers. We're out here on the outdoor set. It's gonna rain. I got my canopy up. I got the 4 lobster tails. They're gonna take a amount of smoke. I got the cool side here. Okay, I don't want to burn these guys, so I got the hot side here, and I'm going to leave these guys and turn that over. It's been on there for about 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to get some smoke on here, and then when we get inside, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scissor and I'm going to cut this guy here. Then I'm going to split it, and I'm going to take that cooked meat and plop it on top like you would see in a fancy magazine or something like that, or a travel show. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. You know what we've been doing though, kind of interesting, using AI, and I took all my hints and tips from the cookbook, and there's about 40 of them, and I copied and pasted them from the cookbook, and we made charts, and we call them pro tips. And why don't you guys take a gander and just knock on the door and join us inside, okay? I'm going to tend to these. Yeah, take a look at our pro tip. Larry's pro tip. Enjoy. Hey, welcome back, poopers. I got my lobster tails, and as I promised, I'm going to show you how to remove it and get all the meat. Okay, I did a demonstrative on shrimp before. Shrimp, lobsters, they have this hinge. Grab it. You don't need it. Okay? Then, just using a regular kitchen scissors. You can use a poultry shears. I find that this works better than a poultry shears. Okay? I mean, yes, I have poultry shears, but I like using household. Then, see, I cooked it perfect. So this comes off, all right? This comes off. This is not edible. Not at all. And it's not pretty. Not that I care about if my food is pretty. I'm not a priss, but still. Okay, see, I got all this coming around to this other side. Now, you see all that? You don't want to waste that stuff. There's nothing that I wasted here. There's no meat here. There's no meat here. Okay? You got all the meat. You even have the charred bits, which are delicious. Okay? Yes, you can clean that off if you want. You can get rid of that protein if you want, and that just comes from the shell. I mean, they don't come out clean, okay? But this is what you got. This is all protein, perfectly cooked, succulent. That's how you want your grilled lobster. so much better way. So much better way of cooking it this way. Then, oh yeah, the alternative is, sure, you could boil it, you could steam it, you could roast it on a, you know, broiler pan. This is the best, okay? This is the best. Now what I did was I made up a minuet, okay? A thin little dipping sauce. It's got black pepper, which is typical of a minuet. It's got balsamic vinegar. It's got regular vinegar. It's got sesame seed, roasted sesame seed, cannabis oil. Every single jar or bottle of oil I have is cannabinized. It's got, I said pepper, a pinch of sugar, and just a squeeze of lemon juice. And then, like I showed you the other day about aerating, you can aerate this by just stir. I'm not going to dump it on there because not a lot of people like eating it this way. People like eating it with just drawn butter. My drawn butter is cannabis butter, actually ghee. I removed the solids, but this little minuet is fantastic, okay? If you want a free cookbook, email me. The email address is at the channel description page. There's a link. I posted it 3 times. Hopefully it works. If not, email me. Besides that, man, we're out of here. My dogs love seeing you here. And we'll see you again on #StraightPoop. If you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Hang loose.